We do absolutely, in the course of making our albums, focus on quality, right? We are going to focus on quality, but we do it at the appropriate time, because I don't think the appropriate time is when we're at the sharp end, when we're in the trenches actually making the music. This is one of the most difficult things about making music. When we're actually making it, and I think music, it's even worse in music than it is in almost any other kind of art, because it's a real-time thing that's happening. It's not quite the same as writing or painting. It's an embodied thing that's happening. When we're making it, we are the least able to judge it. Yeah, we're in the forest, so we can't see the forest. Therefore, what we need to do is develop the ability to, we will be judging it. So there will be judgments coming into our mind, but just letting them go past and simply making music. Having said that, we do bring quality judgments into it when we're better able to make them, which is after we listen to the music, and then when we decide what to do to the music in between sessions. So there is a huge place for quality in this way of doing things. It's just not, particularly not at the start, and usually not when we're in the middle of actually making music.